Welcome to our tutorial. Let's start by taking photos of your product. Make sure to capture both full and close-up shots of the front and back. If there are special details like pockets, collars, and zippers, take additional photos of these. Email the photos to yourself for easy access and organization. Save the photos in a folder with a recognizable name. Rename images with specific names, replacing spaces with underscores. Common names include measurements, a close-up, and details with additions like front or back. For pockets and labels, add pocket or label followed by details, such as front pocket details. Open the photos in Photoshop and use the crop tool to resize them to 980 by 850 dimensions. Ensure everything you plan to measure is still visible. Save all images as PNG files. If you need to add rather than crop because not everything fits, select Generative Expand at the top under Fill in Photoshop, which will expand the image. Press the plus button to add a product. Name it with the product name and size. Save the new product and refresh the page. Press Edit and go to Specifications, where you can upload the PNG images. Now upload the photos from the recently saved file. Now you have an overview of all the images. Here you can adjust each one individually. In the Outfit XR, locate your product and click Edit. Go to the specification and press Edit on the image to create specifications. The image will appear. Start by taking measurements of your pants, and in Outfit XR, draw lines by right-clicking along the seams of the garment. Repeat this process for all required measurements. To delete a line, go to the schema next to the photo, or right-click on a line to remove or adjust its length. If adjusting the length, make sure Manual Measurements is enabled and enter the length in centimeters. If it's unclear which line corresponds to which measurement, edit the line to change its color. Adjust the highlight color, ensuring manual editing is enabled before saving. For the full image, measure both height and width starting from the seam lines. For the front pocket, measure the width and height. For the close-up, measure the top edge of the pants and from the seam line. For the back close-up, measure all seam lines and the distances between them, following the instructions in the video. For the back pocket, measure both height and width, including from the extra seam line. Measure the back in the same manner as the front, considering both height and width. Keep in mind that dimensions may be larger than those of the front. The specifications have been finalized. If you have any questions with designing garments for your virtual fitting room, reach out to us through our Discord channel or email. Looking forward hearing from you.